Hello guys, this is Joyce from UChat. So I'm doing a quick recording today. So one of our customer asked me that what if when a user add product to cart and he want the user to input the quantity of the product. So normally when user hit the add button, it is only add the one product to the cart. So what if we need user to add like 20, 30, 50? It is impossible for them to hit the button for 20, 30 times. So today by adding a question step and a action step, we can achieve that. Alright, let me show you how to step by step. So firstly, let's get a send message step to show the product. Okay, e-commerce, product, and then edit. You can list all your product or you can list the product that match a combination of condition. Okay, so I'm showing all product. Let me add a add to cart button. So when user hit this button, so now when you select next step, make sure you again choose add to cart. And then from now on, you can assess which product is added to the cart from select SKU. Alright, then when user hit the button, I'm going to send them to a question step. And in the question step, we are going to ask for a number input. Input quantity, okay, greater than 1. So you can add a condition step to see whether they are really input a number that greater than 1. Okay, so let's leave it for today and store the variable into quantity. You can also add no match, so if they are typing some letters which is not number, then show the retry message, tell them please only input a number, a valid number. Okay, and then when we get the quantity, you say action step. And what if user are inputting a float number, for example 3.5, we can use a operation in the set variable value. So quantity, choose either run, floor or cell. Okay, I'm using floor now for the quantity. So when they put 3.5 and that's 3 product, okay, quantity is 3. And after this action, we actually need another action to subtract the quantity by 1, because in this action, when user hit the add button, they have already added 1 item to the cart. So we need to subtract 1 quantity. Subtract 1. Okay, save it. And then after we get the quantity, use a e-commerce add to cart action to add the rest. Okay, edit action, variant ID. So as we've mentioned, you can access the data from select, find SKU, and here you are the variant ID. Okay, save it. And quantity, we have already stored in quantity. Save it. Right, then you can handle the situation when add to cart fail. You can give a prompt and then redo it. Alright, and I am going to use a send message step to give user a prompt that this match quantity of this product. Again, select SKU, find the product name here. Okay, save it. So this match product added to cart. Alright, then you can provide them. Also, do remember to use another set variable because you subtract it by 1 and you need to add 1 to get back to the original quantity. Okay, add 1. And then you can provide 2 options. You can let them keep shopping. So if they choose keep shopping, then go back to the send message step that show product. Okay, they can also choose go to cart when they hit the button, go to another send message step to show the cart. Okay, e-commerce and then shopping cart. Right. And you can add button like add one more or remove the product here, and you can also give a subtotal information here. For example, item subtotal. You can access the cart information through a variable called cart. Okay, choose it. The number of items is here, total price is here. Save it, total price, cart, total price. Select a format, okay, for it. Alright, let's test it. So let me preview this step. Now I have a list of product right here, so let me add some Coke. Quantity, maybe 20. Okay, 20 Coke, add it to cart. Let's see. Now you can see there are 20 Coke and total item 20, subtotal 60. Let's try add some burger. This time let me try 55.6. Okay, so you round it. Now it's 55 burger, add it to cart. Let's see. I have 55 burger and 20 Coke. So this is the item, total item, and the subtotal. Alright, thank you for watching this video. If you got any question, please comment below. See you next time.